Hi, today piano lesson number 2. So the last lesson you learned 5 fingers. You're using all the 5 fingers. Remember? Finger number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change the position like this. C, D, E, F, G. Okay, here we go. Let's do the new song, which is page 30, Ode to Joy. Okay, it's a C 5-finger scale. You're going to use 5 fingers. Left hand start number 3 on E. Okay, here. And right hand will be number 3 on E. So let's get ready first. And then start. 1, 2, 3, go. Right hand. Did you do it? You can pause this video and practice a couple times, and if you're ready, let's do duet. I'm gonna play my accompaniment parts. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, E, D, D, E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C. Wonderful. Then let's go to skip this one. Now the dotted half note, which is 3 counts or beats. And left hand starting on the lower C, number 1, and going down. You see the notes are going down. So that means notes are going lower. Okay? And right hand goes up from C, middle C, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so now it's a separate position. C number 1, C number 1, and going away. Ready? 1, 2, go. C, B, A, G, E, G, A, B. Count 1, 2, 3. C, D, E, F, G, F. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. C, B, A. 1, 2, 3. G, A, B, C. 2, 3. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Good. And then skip this one. All right, now you're going to start reading us music. Ooh, the stuff is 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines and 4 spaces. Line note will show like this. Circle and line will be right in the middle. Space note will be between the lines, so there's no line in the middle of the circle. And grand stuff is for the both hand. Left hand will play the bottom line and right hand will play the top line. Music goes from the left to right. Now look at this one. Bass clef and treble clef. And this is the middle C, which is this is the middle C. Just about middle of the pianos. That's the middle C. Right there. Okay, and shows on here. That's the note you're gonna play. C. Okay, and then go to D and E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then from middle C, going down this way, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, C, D, E, F, G. 3 octaves. Okay, 1 octave is those 7 notes, another 1 octave, and 1 octave. So 1, 2, 3 octaves. Okay, learning middle C. This is the C, middle C right there. Okay, so the same thing with this one, treble clef, middle C. Repeated notes, right? And then finger number 2, finger number 3, but the same note. So change the finger number and then play this song. Same thing with the left hand, middle C, number 1, and next measure is number 2, number 3, and stays 3. Okay, let's play. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 C. Left hand. C, C, C. Switch. C, 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 C. Very good. Okay, learning treble G. Okay, this is the middle C and that's the treble G. Okay, let's see in the piano. Middle C, treble G. Okay, right hand start. Only right hand for this one. 1, 2, 3, go. C, 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 G, G, G. C, G, C, G, C, C, C. Repeat. C, 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 G, G, G. C, G, C, G, C, C, C. One more time. 2, 3, go. C, 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 G, G, G. C, G, C, G, C, C, C. C, 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 G, G, G. C, G, C, G, C, C, C. Good. Next song, you're going to play C and G together. Do you hear the sound? Okay. Let's say 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. C, C, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, C. C, C, G, G, C, C, G. Together. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. Then next one is left hand is going to play 3 on C here, and G number 3 right there. Okay, count 4 before and a half note. Go the notes. Remember, 1, 2, 3, go. C, C, G. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, C, G, G, C, C, C. C, C, G. Together. C, C, G, G, C, C, C. Okay. Next one, you're going to learn left hand, one more note. Middle C is here. And bass F is here. Okay. Number 1, number 5 on F. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, C, F, F, C, C, F, F, C, F, C, F, 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 C, C, F, F, C, C, F, F, C, F, C, Then next one, my invention, page 41. Left hand number 3 goes on F. Right hand C and the G also. Those 3 notes. 1, 2, 3, go! F, C, G, C, F, C, G, C, F, F together, F, F together, F, C, G, C, F, C, G, C, F, F together, F, F, F. Very good. Okay, how was the lesson? If you liked it, please click the good button. So next time will be number 3. The book I'm using, Piano Adventure, wonderful book, and also very beginner students. Maybe you can learn in this video first, couple of videos, and then you can try to find a teacher in the local place. Make sure that you feel good with the teacher. So you should have a trial lesson for a short time, maybe 10 minutes, or just meet the teacher with your children. Especially the children needs to feel good with the teacher, that they can communicate fine, and the children should like the teacher first. See you at next video.